In today's video, let's look at 3 lists that you can make right away and save yourself a lot of time. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini. I welcome you all today to my channel. On this channel, we always talk about saving time on unnecessary things so that we can utilize this time in more meaningful way or for really important things. So today I have come up with one such technique, and that is the technique of using lists. Now, if it were to me, I would use lists for each and everything. I might even have a list of lists. But for the purpose of this video, let's stick to 3 lists which will help you save a lot of time and probably even some money. So let's get started. So the most basic list that I use every single day is obviously a to-do list, which only has things that I need to get done today. Now this is a very simple list. You can just write it on a piece of a paper, but the benefit of this list is as our lives get busier and busier, we always tend to do things and be busy throughout the day, but we always forget to do the most important things for that day. So when you have a list ready, you can first write down the 1 or 2, 3 things that are important for you to get done other day, and then of course have the laundry list ready for all the other things that you need to do. Now it might happen that most of the time you do not end up, at least I do not end up doing all the things on my list, but that is still fine. So for example, you had 10 things on your list and you ended up doing only 2 or 3 things. It is still okay, because if you didn't have that list in place in the first place, you will not even complete those 2-3 things, right? So don't give yourself a goal to just conquer the entire list, but have that very nice feeling of satisfaction by just checking off 1 of the things or 2 of the things or 3 of the things, or whatever number of things you achieve. Once you have been done, that crossing off sometimes gives a very nice satisfaction feeling. Enjoy that feeling rather than being stressed out of completing all these things. The basic intention of having a to-do list also makes sure that you are focusing on important things. As I said, live each day as it comes, and on that each day what is most important is what should receive your focus, and this today to-do list will help you to do just that. The second list that I always have is the leaving the house list. So maybe it is leaving the house for a trip, maybe it is leaving the house for a vacation, maybe it is leaving the house to go to your friend's place, or maybe to simply just to have a walk around the block. But having this list in place will ensure that you are reminded of the things that you need to get done when you are just walking out of the house. So if you are leaving the house for a vacation, there are so many things that are there on the mind, in that you might forget some important things like switching off the gas pipeline or putting the taps off or closing the windows and all those things. So if you have that list ready, it's very easy. If you want to visit a friend's place, if you want to return something to that person, or if you had got something for that person, or if there are any things that you need to discuss with that person, so leaving the house for that friend's place list will help you. Or if it is simple, just going out for a walk and you know that you need to pick up your clothes off ironing, or maybe buy some curd or do certain things on your way home, having this list will help you just to remind at the right time and make that trip worth out that you're making outside of your house worth it. And in today's day, if you don't have anything to put on leaving the house list, just make sure that you put on maybe taking sanitizer and putting up a mask. This can obviously be in your leaving the house list, but this list, no matter where you are going outside the house, will ensure that you are reminded of the most important things to be done before you return to the house. So that way you are optimizing your trip and at the same time getting a lot of things done and not wasting a lot of time by making multiple trips outside of the house. You didn't think that I would only come up with boring admin type of lists in this video, right? You obviously need to have a fun things to do, maybe a month, that's what I do, or maybe on a weekly basis you can make this list. So how many times has it happened that you really wanted to have some lot of fun, but then you just end up thinking about what you need to do to have fun and basically end up doing nothing and feeling just bored? So instead, if you have this list ready, you will be able to spend that time to actually doing the fun activity, then thinking about what fun activity you need to do. So I make this list on a monthly basis where I will note down any movie recommendations that my friends have given, or any book that I want to read, or any date night ideas that I can plan with my husband, or any fun activities, board game nights, whatever it is that you think for yourself to be fun, just make a note of it. So when that time actually comes and you have that time on hand, you can just pull up this list, find that activity that you want to do at that particular time, and just do it without wasting time on thinking what to do. See, as I said, we are optimizing our fun time as well, but this list will definitely help you do that, and also make you think of new things that you can put on this list and do as an experience. So as I said, of course, getting the admin things done is very important, and for that you need lists, but you can obviously make use of these lists to even have a lot of fun and to optimize your fun time as well. Now that you have saved a lot of time using this list, let's put that time to some good use, like to optimize your health, right? So even 30 minutes every single day can make a huge difference in the level of your health, your physical health, your mental health. And I'm going to come up with a video where only by giving 30 minutes you can make sure that your overall health is progressing and getting better day by day. So that's a video that will be coming up next week. So make sure you will be notified about it by hitting the subscribe button, and as well as hitting the notification bell. If this list of lists helps you to save some time, make sure to give a like to this video, and I will see you in the next one. You take care till then. Bye bye.